Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Elevating Your Machine Design. I'm Rafael, and in this episode we'll explore how you can streamline your field connectivity. As machines are now larger and more complex, they tend to involve a massive amount of cabling. Managing all that wiring, especially when connecting field components to the cabinet via junction boxes, can be tricky and time-consuming, often increasing labor costs. It might seem simple to some, but what exactly do you need to prepare to make all those connections? So, let's get right into it. To build a junction box, you typically need box in its cover, terminal blocks, jumpers, cable glands, cables, wires, and DIN rail. Now, there are many ways to simplify this setup, but in this video, we'll show you how Finish Contact offers a more compact solutions compared to conventional methods. You can elevate your machine design by replacing the traditional junction box with a sensor actuator distribution box from Finish Contact. But how does this actually simplify things? Our Finish Contact sensor actuator distribution box is designed to deliver electrical power and signals to various circuits in the machine. It replaces the need for a traditional junction box and uses pluggable M12 circular connectors for a fast tool-free installation. The push-pull connectors also reduce wiring time and effort, making your setup more cost-effective and modular. As compared to conventional methods, our solutions elevate your machine design by providing you a compact pluggable system that simplifies installation, reduces costs, and supports modularity. We hope that this episode has helped you discover smarter ways to enhance your machine design with Finish Contact trusted solution. If you'd like to learn more or find the right solutions for your applications, feel free to reach out to us or visit our website for more resources. And don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more tips on elevating your machine design.